Okay, this is Swallowtail Renovation and Design. Diane, Tiana, Jeff's shadow is here. Anyway, we are working on this very exciting house. It's actually Diane's house.
What?
And we get to design it from beginning to end. And right now we're in the destruction phase.
Yes. We just cleared out all the carpet, gotten rid of all the trim, taken all the doors out, replacing the back door. So we wanted to give you guys a tour.
Yeah, let's do it. Okay, I'll flip the camera around. Okay, take us on a tour, Diane.
All right, this is the blue room.
It's the blue room. And this is where it's also the storage room for many items. Yeah.
We're going to be putting flooring in as soon as that back door is done, which would be probably like an hour from now. But yeah, we got our flooring going in. We got doors coming in after the flooring. Let's move on in. This is our, this was my room. Many of you would probably remember the green room. It's all taken apart. You can see that there's lovely wooden floors here, but we're going with the carpet.
Yeah, we're gonna cover it so it'll still be protected, so future owners decide they want to refinish. The floor is in great condition, but we decided to make it soft and squishy for their feet.
I mean, who doesn't like new carpet?
Right?
All right. Come on down. All right, we got ourselves a new heater or a new furnace.
Woo!
We're putting in the new water heater this week.
Look at that. That's a brand new furnace too, like maybe a couple weeks old. Huh?
Brand new. Got the brand new gas for water heater. Bathroom doesn't need much rehabbing. We're gonna leave the tile in the tub, new vanity, new mirror, new lights.
Just polish this baby up a little bit. You know what I love? I love this tile. I love it that it comes around, so then it's easier to keep clean around the toilet.
Absolutely, it has been awesome.
And that window, whoa, and this freaking bathtub. Let's just talk about this bathtub.
It just needs some tender loving care.
Oh.
TLC.
And the shelves in the shower. Ah. Yeah.
That's actually one of my first.
The shelves?
Oh,
One of your
the whole
shelves?
fucking tower.
That's awesome. That's awesome. Yeah,
Nice.
And we didn't see Christian.
He went
Christian
away.
did my bathroom about 10 years ago, right before I had Sky.
Oh my
And
goodness.
He's in great condition still. And we have him working on the house here today again. So he has been working on the house since we moved in, and he's continuing to work on it.
Full circle. I love it. I love the color of this room.
I love this color too. This was the kids' room. It's a very fun color, very calming.
Window. Big closet.
We got lots of doodles on the wall.
Yeah.
Oh, one of the new feature too is we put all new lighting here. This house didn't have any type of lighting in the center rooms, so we created
Yeah.
that.
I'm really excited about that too, because it's gonna be so pretty.
Oh.
Ooh, living room. I'm so excited to go there.
All right, check it. So we put can lights in, guys. There's been literally no light in this room at all since I've lived here.
Ever.
We've been lamping it up for years. Now we got can lights, ready to light some stuff up. And then we got our kitchen. We completely removed. There was a center island there in the corner, or not center, but in the corner over here. We moved that. Open the kitchen right up. We're gonna do a nice straight line of cabinets. Get a dishwasher. There's never been a dishwasher here. I'm so excited.
This house will be so confused. What's a dishwasher?
I know, right?
And also, I'm just excited because underneath the paint that we do, there will always be this amazing mural.
A little piece of me. In this house,
Yeah,
right?
it's gonna be awesome.
This is our back door going in.
Brand new back
After this
door.
is done, we're gonna do some flooring, and then after flooring, it's gonna be really quick. We're just gonna paint,
And
some
man.
trim, and be done. Thanks for tuning in.
Yeah, this was our show. Bye.